If you thought Apple's bold iPhone 17 Pro colors were a flex, Samsung looks like it's about to walk in and say, "Move," because the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks just dropped. And honestly, this might be the first time in a while Samsung's color game feels confident. A reliable insider has already teased what shades Samsung's cooking up, and the lineup is looking clean. Early renders and firmware hints have been floating around for months. But the color choices? Those were still under wraps. Until now. Samsung's apparently sticking to 4 classic finishes at launch: white, silver, black, and a deeper purple that looks like it was designed specifically to be a wallpaper in the ads. Silver seems to lean more into a gray tone, which gives Samsung the flexibility to rename it down the road, because they always do. But here's the fun part. Samsung is prepping a special online-only coral color. Think of it as Samsung's take on Apple's cosmic orange. Except this one's actually hard to get. You won't see it in retail stores, you won't see it on every e-commerce site. It's one of those you-had-to-be-there colors, which instantly makes it more desirable. The black model is also taking a bold turn. Ice Universe claims Samsung might go with an entirely black frame this time. No more grayish border like the previous Ultra. It could make the bezels look thicker and more premium, which is a surprising design direction, but honestly, it just works. The more we hear, the more it feels like the S26 Ultra is part color refresh, part attitude shift for Samsung. White and silver are the safe high-end choices. Purple is clearly the poster child, and coral is the rare collectible. And while everyone was distracted by the colors, Samsung quietly dropped a teaser for the Exynos 2600, yes, that chip. The teaser opens with Samsung basically admitting the Exynos failures of the past, which is wild to see from a company that almost never does self-reflection publicly. The tone flips fast, though. Refined at the core, optimized at every level. This thing is expected to be the world's first 2-nanometer smartphone processor, and early numbers say it finally goes toe-to-toe with Snapdragon's 8 Elite Gen 5. Samsung is expected to debut the chip with the S26 lineup, though not every region will get it. Classic Samsung. All 3 models will get the Exynos 2600, but only in Korea. And look, I've got to be honest, I'm not buying that. Samsung has always shipped Exynos models to Europe. Suddenly limiting them to Korea feels unlikely, unless Samsung is preparing for a major shakeup. Part of the rumor claims Samsung is fully aware of the Exynos hate train online, and that people overwhelmingly prefer Snapdragon. And honestly, this might be the first Ultra in years that feels like Samsung isn't just iterating, but actually reinventing. New colors, new chip, a sharper design language, and a tone that says they're not playing it safe anymore. If Samsung nails this, the S26 Ultra might just be the phone that forces every other flagship to rethink their game.